Well, guys, as you guys can see, this is episode 2 on Mini Warriors. I will be uploading way more, and just sit back and enjoy. All right, entering into the battlefield. Battle. Oh, there we go. My skill. Yay. Okay. Yeah. I know. I think I know that. Oh, pilgrims or whatever they're called. Okay, they suck though. All they're good for is a distraction. Just like killing them and stuff. While the other guys, infantry, I think they're called, kills them. Okay, so he died. Nope, he died now. Right, come on. Azod, dude, I swear they're always killing him. Azod usually dies all the time. Like, no, he's like, no, killing us. Oh, there we go. Nice. Oh, wait, what? Oh, there we go. I thought we didn't finish the battle. Alright, did we proceed up or anything? Nope. Alright, I see how it is. I'm leaving the battlefield, and we are back outside, and hopefully he starts. There we go. Yeah. Oh my god, again, seriously? Come on, just like, shoo, out of here. I want you. Okay, there. Congratulations, thank you. Ooh, choose a name. Guess what my name is gonna be. RegulateZX, of course. What are you guys talking about? What other name should I put then, huh? Oh shoot. I always have my keyboard, customized keyboard. Whoa, favorite logins. Damn. I'm gonna be logging on daily then, if that's the thing here. Damn, look at that. Damn, dude, that's amazing. Please go get free 454 Chris. What? That's a lot. Okay, I guess we're starting off good. Is this how Mini Warriors kiss his ass in the beginning? Alright, let's see what we got for trophies. Alright, this and 10. Oh, more. Another one. Okay, nice. Look, we got a nice set of diamonds now, or gems, or I don't know what the hell they're called. Alright. Golden fish. Oh sure, look, we already knew that. Gobbler refresh. Refreshes. Just to get the daily thing, or I don't know what it's called. Alright, let's see. No, can't execute. Lame. Let's go for the gold refresh. Nice. Ah, this guy sucks. Alright, so we do not. Oh, there's a discount. Wow, you give me the discount right before I. You know what? I'm not gonna say anything. Ooh, nice. Alright, let's go. Ooh, you're a great dealer. Come on. Hey, why are you lagging on me, huh? Why are you lagging on me? Oh, there we go. Nice. I got that guy. Ooh, dude, I swear. After, like, it's actually like. Keep on completing quests, like quest after quest, I swear. Alright, let's see now. We have to our warehouse, I think it's called. Repair stuff. Yes, use. Nice. Oh, what is that? It looks so cool. I guess. Pretty sucks. It sucks. Having fun? No, I will not rate you later on. Alright, items. Ooh, I'm gonna use that. Let's go to the tavern. Use it up right now. Oh shoot. Use it. Yeah, nice. Thank you very much. I love you. Now let's go to the tavern. No, it's not tavern. I think it's barracks. Yes, it's barracks. Oh no, rally. What are you doing, Chris? What are you doing? I guess Kelly goes in the back, and Lance goes right here, like so. I guess there will. No, I can't put any more. What? No more heroes. 6 out of 6. Alright, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna take one out. I think it's gonna be Keats. I don't know why, but YOLO. Alright, so we press the deploy. Let's see how we can figure this out. I like so. Pretty good. Alright, let's go to see what we got in. Nice. More boots and helmets. Let's go to the barracks again. Equip them all up. I want to give him to Kelly. No, Reinhard just because he's better at the moment. Alright. Nice. Nice. So we almost have this guy fully equipped. Get him with the hatchet. No. Nothing else, I guess. So let's go for the skills. Let's see what they have to offer. Nah, I'm good. Whoa, prestige 20? Seriously? Damn. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. Please give it a like, thumbs up below. I'll be looking forward for more episodes on me and Warriors, and also on other types of games for you guys to enjoy and watch. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.